Hello, I'm Natalie and today we are going to do a little experiment on how to make a homemade lava lamp. What you will need is water, you will need vegetable oil, you will need a cup or container, you will need Alka-Seltzer, and food coloring. You can use whatever color food coloring you want. Let's get started. First, I'm going to put in about, I would say, 1/4 cup of water. Maybe just a little bit more, just to be exact. Here, camera dude. Alright, that's good. Now I will put in my vegetable oil, which is less dense than the water. You wouldn't think so because it seems more thick, but you will see it floats to the top. And this is the water, and this is the vegetable oil. Now I'm going to take my food coloring, and I am going to use blue just for this. You don't have to use blue. You can if you want to, but you absolutely don't have to. Just put a few drops in. You will see it stays up there, and then it will float down, but it will not hit the water. We'll see. That should be good. And we're going to see that it looks like blueberries, kind of. Very small blueberries. Now, I will take my Alka-Seltzer. You probably can use the lemon lime. I'm just using the original to be exact. And you'll see how this works. When I put the Alka-Seltzer in, you need to observe and see what happens. Okay, this is my Alka-Seltzer. And you can find it at the pharmacy because it is a medicine. You can see it bubbling up and the water down here turning blue. Once it will mix together, it'll start giving off blue bubbles and it will start looking like a homemade lava lamp. It's thick like that because it is going through the water. It's touching the dense water, and it is also going through the thick vegetable oil. You will see that it's popping up, and then it goes back down, and it's just a rotation, up and down, and up and down. And it can go on for a very long time. Once it stops, you just put in another Alka-Seltzer, and it's very cool. I'm just going to put in a few little of these. You probably don't want to drink this. Wouldn't taste very good. But it is very cool to have around, and it's a very fun experiment. You would think it might pop up and fizz. It doesn't though, just to be exact. And once it stops fizzing, kind of, and just like is sitting there, all you want to do is put in another Alka-Seltzer. You don't have to, but I like to. And I haven't tried putting in 2 at one time, but I would like to see how that works. So as you can see, it's just like the first time. It sits there, and then it goes and goes, and it's very cool and fun. So try it out. Again, all you need is 1/4 cup of water, 3/4 a cup of vegetable oil, a few drops of food coloring, and Alka-Seltzer. You can find most of this at the grocery store and pharmacy. Maybe you have to look for vegetable oil at the store, but you can try. So have fun making your homemade lava lamp.